What's up, guys? Are you ready to learn Python coding while exploring your favorite movies, your favorite Hollywood movies based on genre or actors or whatever? And also, you're gonna develop a lot of data analysis skills. Yes, these three very important things are gonna be fun to come together in the same project. We're gonna build this project from the very beginner level of exploration data analysis to very advanced techniques such as recommendation systems, just like the one we have on Netflix, for example. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you what this project is about. It's gonna be a very interesting project. It's gonna be a lot of fun and a lot of knowledge I'm gonna share with you guys. Hopefully you're gonna join. So let's go to the Python notebook, go through it. So yeah, right here, guys, we have just the basic inspection of the data. We're gonna import the basic libraries. We're gonna load the data, right? We're gonna see the columns, the valid data, what's not valid. We're gonna see the features, right? The columns, the description of each column from this data set. We're gonna explore the genres. We're gonna do a little bit of data engineering here. I don't want to spoil too much right now, but yeah, we're gonna go through that. And it's not even here, so don't sweat. I'm not showing you everything, but we're gonna go through the describe to see some numerical features, plot a little bit of the numerical features as well, learn how to deal with the budget, the revenue, and we're gonna create new variables, right, based on the revenue and the budget. We're gonna make we're gonna learn some ways to actually select movies based on our preferences, either title or type of genre. And we're gonna create some new features, right, based on the old ones. And yeah, also we're gonna build a lot of functions and interesting ways to display these ranked preferences that we have for movies based on different criterion. And we're gonna, by the end of it, we're gonna build all these blocks of code. And by the end of it, we're gonna build a function, right? This is just part one, but in part two, we're gonna see another more advanced techniques and methods and functions. We're gonna build another function, and by the end of the videos, by the end of the playlist, we're gonna build a recommendation system using these functions right here, right, guys? Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot interesting. So guys, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be very exciting project. We're gonna stick around to the end. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, on the next video, I'm gonna show you how to download the data and a little bit more. We start to explore the data set itself by coding just a little bit. Okay, thank you very much. See ya.